Let's see if I can 4-star this one. I mean 5-star.
No more
Why
destiny.
would I want 4-star?
No more fate. Let's end this
Elemental and Ravage.
once and for all.
Hi, Bahamut.
It's just a fleeting dream. Every dance of swords. The goddess makes me powerful. Keep up if you can. Don't even try. Thanks for waiting. Unfurl the wings of death.
There's no end to battle.
That was fast. Not even 2 minutes. Alright, any records on both of those?